Today in our video we are going to reveal the surprise and the secret we've been keeping for everybody. If you do watch it, just please do not put in the comments what the surprise is so everybody can watch and be surprised when they see it.
Yeah, and keep watching this to see what the surprise is, and we'll reveal it.
There's all the little chickens. Getting bigger and bigger every day. And then over here, we've got popcorn. What you doing, popcorn? Just gonna do a little bit of a quick go around here because it's about to storm here. Here's the water tank. We're at 225. And we're about to get more. If you look off to the distance here, you can see the rain. There's the rain right there. You can see it falling in the mountains. It's coming right this way. So we're about to get some more rain. Might make this thing maybe 230. Somewhere, maybe it'll fill it up to about right here. But it's been awesome so far. And here's the worms. They're still in there. Dirt's turning real black. So hopefully we'll be able to, I'm gonna turn it around a little bit tomorrow probably and see what we got going on down inside of there with the worms. But yeah, everything's going good. Here comes all the chickens inside of the coop. They're taking shelter because they hear the thunder. They know the rain's coming. There's Miracle. Or that's Hatchery, sorry. I'm so used to Miracle jumping up there. But it looks like it's Hatchery. It's a pretty bird too. And there's Fruity. Up there. See if you can see a little better. There he is, running around inside the run. So he broke out of his coop and he has broken into that run up there. So we just can't keep him happy. He's just, seems like he's happy up there, so I guess we'll keep him up there for now.
Chickens, take cover. It's about to storm.
You guys better get in shelter. Here it comes. Run! Take cover! Here it comes! Take cover!
Hey everybody, today we're going to reveal a big secret on the farm. And it is a puppy! It's a girl!
Hey Gray, you ready for your surprise?
Where are we? Where are we, Mama? I don't know what that is.
Are you ready? Okay, I don't know. Is it an apple tree? Is it a pear tree? Is it a...
I want an apple tree because I quit eating pears a long time ago. I would say 3 years ago.
Maybe it's a lemon tree.
Lemon tree?
Yeah, you like lemon?
Yeah, I like
You can make
lemonade.
some lemonade.
Yeah, that's what.
I bet that's what it is.
We can make strawberry lemonade. I love strawberry lemonade.
Yeah, I bet that's...
Raspberry.
Yeah, I bet that's what it is. She's ready for her lemon tree. She figured out what it is.
Lemon tree. You
She's gonna make her own lemonade.
Yeah, we need some good lemonade, Gray.
Wait, it is a lemon tree?
Oh.
It really is a lemon tree. That's something else.
Good thing. Oh. It's a fuzzy lemon tree.
It's a I think it's a puppy. It's a puppy.
It's a white puppy. It's a white fluffy puppy. Aww. Oh, it's a puppy.
Here.
It's a puppy. Has she peed lately? I want to take her over there
Are you
to
so excited?
let her pee on the grass.
Tug of war. We're playing tug of war. Oh, I win.
She likes doing that, doesn't she?
Yep.
Look at her.
You win. No, give me. She loves the snake. Look at her. Oh, see? If you put it up to her paws, watch what she'll do. Well, watch. She'll like pounce. See what she does with the paws?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a cat. Beep, beep. No. No. You gotta come this way if you want it. Come on. One paw.
Listen, no.
Hey, me. Look. You said you wanted playtime. See how Clover just like sneaks up on it? Clover, look. If you put your hand up to her hand, she'll just lick your hands. It's disgusting. Do this and put your hand up to her mouth. Did she lick your hand?
Mm-hmm.
Clover. Oh, don't eat my hand.
Clover.
Here. Here, if you want to eat something, eat this. Hi, Clover. Hi, Clover. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Oh, and I hope you like the surprise. And stay tuned for more chicken fun.